Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create subdomain on the cPanel. So I already log on to my cPanel, and then you can scroll down until you can find the subdomain. Where's the subdomain is? Here is it, the subdomain options. This is the subdomains feature. So just click this subdomains, and then you can create the subdomain. For example, I want to make example, and you choose the main domain. No example, this is generic general word, so I put ABC123, and then you choose the domain you want as the main domain, and then you can click create here directly, or you can change the the document root or the file root of your this subdomain. So I will not change it, so I can click create. It takes several minutes to the cPanel to creating the folder of this subdomain. I will pause it for you. Then here, as you can see, this is already success. So I will go back to the cPanel, and then I will find the file manager. This is the file manager. I will find this ABC123 root. So where is it? So I think from this public HTML, this is the ABC123. And then here you can create your any of your, maybe you use CMS, or you just create static website, for example index.html or index.php. Create new files, and then you can edit it, and then I will test 1 2 3, and then I will click save. And I will go to that subdomain ABC123, and then this is my domain. See, this is ABC123, and then I will try hello from Indonesia. Click save, and then I will refresh it. Hello from Indonesia. Okay, that's maybe a little bit complex tutorial. I hope it can help your problems. And then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you for watching.